Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many operations on the application of Flow. You will click here on settings. We'll go to this first page here of settings and you will click. In this window you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will search about the application of Flow and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your